Hello everyone, in this video I solved this interesting math. It is a determinant question. So here is 3 row and 3 column. So first of all I can say column 1 prime is equal to column 1 minus column 2 plus column 3. If I follow this case, this time I can say here is column 1 minus, but column 2 and column 3 is plus, so this time I can say here is minus x minus y. Because of that plus minus it will be minus, and here is x and this is y, and again here is x minus z, and plus minus it will be minus z, and here is x plus z, and here is z, and again I can say here is y minus z, here is minus y minus z, and it will be z, and it will be y plus z. Then I can say here is x cancels, y cancels, so it will be 0, and here is x cancels, so we are find out here is minus 2z, and here is y cancel, so here is minus z, it will be minus 2z, and here is x, and it will be x plus z, and it is z, and it will be y, and it is z, and it is y plus z. Then I can say here is minus 2z is common, so minus 2z. Then I can say here is 0, and this divide this it will be 1, and this divide this it will be 1, and here is x plus z, and it is z, and it will be y z and y plus z. Then I can say here is minus 2z, and now I can say here is row 2 prime is equal to row 2 minus row 3. According to this case I can say here is 0 x y 1 minus y. Because of that here is row 2 minus row 3, so 1 minus 1 it will be 0, and x plus z minus z it will be x, and z minus y and minus z, so z cancels, so we are find out here is minus y, and number 3 row is 1 z y plus z. Then I can say here is minus 2z. Now here is 1, so when I use 1, so I can say this column and this row are cancelled, so this times this it will be minus xy, and here is minus, this times this it will be xy. Then I can say here is minus 2z times minus xy, it will be minus 2xy. Then I can say minus it will be plus, then 2 times 2 it will be 4, and here is x, y, and this z. So this is our final answer.